how to use Rev points on Revolut. So here's how they work. You want to open up the Revolut app, and once you have the app open, we will just click on Rev points in the bottom right corner. So from here, you will see the option to redeem. So you will just click on redeem if you want to use your Rev points. And there are some different ways of redeeming. So you can do airline miles. So you can get airline miles here using your Rev points, which is essentially going to be transferring the points for discounts on airfare. And Revolut Pay, if you click on Revolut Pay here, you will see that you can use your points when shopping. You can also do it for stays at hotels, and you can also get an eSIM card here. And experiences, if you want to experience different things here near you, you will get the option here to explore more, and you can do sightseeing, art and culture, so you can redeem your or use your Rev points for that as well. And the last option of using your Rev points is going to be donating them, so you can donate your Revolut points and Rev points for charity. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.